What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Back again with another fucking video. You know what I'm saying? Another the first video on my channel right now. I ain't gonna lie. Today I'm just gonna it's a calm day. Today's just a chill day. Gonna meet up with one of my boys. You know, so take him to BMW real quick to get a parts for his car and enjoy the highway. Most of it, that's it. For the fuck, I can't even talk. Damn. Just gonna take him to BMW though. More vlogs is coming soon. When I say more vlogs is coming soon, more vlog, nighttime vlog, daytime vlog, early morning vlog. You know, some POV gonna come in soon type shit. Mars gonna come. Dome pipe gonna install soon because I got it in my chung. I got a muffler tip. I got a muffler, the open and dump, the open and close muffler, and I'm gonna ship my shit out to Finland so they can open the ECU so everything is good. And yeah, a lot of vlogs coming soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna meet up with some of the content creators when I start getting big, you know what I'm saying? And do more videos. I got one of my boys, his name is Sturdy G30. Yeah, I'm gonna shut him on my channel right here. Go support my boy, subscribe to his channel, comment, subscribe and all that. But yeah, for the most part of it, just support me, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with Junkie, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put his YouTube up on the channel, bro. That nigga, when that nigga had 100 subs, bro, I was watching him and shit. And nigga was like, yo, bro, just put in the work. But I ain't gonna lie to you, my mental health was fucked up at the point. And I just got my GoPro because my girlfriend bought it for me for Christmas and shit. So yeah, for the most part of it, shout out to Junkie, man. He put on for the 530, man. Shout out to him, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, everybody I got a B58 in their shit, bro. Everybody got a B58, you know what I'm saying? This shit is not fast, but it's not slow at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Spend a little $1,000, this shit can go a little fast, you know what I'm saying? So I'm grateful for this car. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's more shit coming soon. My dream car is F90, yeah, F90, bro. Yo, that shit, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. The F90 look beautiful, bro. That's my dream car. I was this close to getting it, bro. It was this close, bro. And I just put 5,000 and get this shit, bro. And after that, bro, I just blow all the money that I got. I could bring get that shit, bro. I don't know what happened, but shit happens though. And I fuck with y'all who fuck with me. Show support, bro. You know what I'm saying? More video coming soon. And comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's my boy shit right there. The fuck, what a nigga part right there. But yeah, more video coming soon. And I fuck with it, bro. But I'ma catch y'all when I hit the highway. On gang. Shit, we're back on the highway again. Yeah, let's get into it. that X3, X40. That shit fast as fuck, nigga. Nigga move it like. Come here, fuck you.
My boy. So we can pass up and you can pass up here. Fuck you, man. No, fuck up, G. What the fuck you do? Hold him now. Stop power that the man have been over there.
Pussy there, right? They say fuck.
Sure, if you're on him blood clot phone, no fuck up.
Shit crazy, gang. Like, that shit so fat. That shit crazy, gang. Like, that's a little type shit. Yeah, you too. We at BMW right now. Oh, got this fucking sexy ass M8. Oh my god. Like, look at this shit, bro. M8.
Oh,
shit crazy. This shit. This shit, boy. This is the 7 Series though.
7 Series is.
Yeah. Ugly as fuck. That ugly brother.
Diamond stitch, man. Diamond stitch.
B58. Yeah, that bitch.
140 someone.
No man, I'm 440. Yeah, you too. What?
Coupe.
I was planning to get a coupe too, bro. Shit crazy. Oh, that Asian nigga in that. Oh, that shit clean, boy.
Yo.
That shit super clean. Shit. But we're finna hit BMW and get these fucking parts and head home. So I'll catch y'all guy when I Fuck you in the V.
So come on then. Go over there. Clear.
Yeah, gang, this is just a normal day on the vlog type shit. It's a normal day on the vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. Like, more vlogs coming soon, more mounts coming soon. It's like, we're finna be lit, bro. Like, never Mac gang. Like, we on, like, more vlog, more video coming soon, more collab coming soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm just started growing my YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Junkie, you know what I'm saying? Put on for the B50, the 540. Shout out to my bro right there. And shit, like, this is like the end of the vlog. Like, I'll catch you on the next one.